Three ways we can do spinal cord monitoring. One is somatosensory evoked potential. Second is motor evoked potential. And third is mechanical electromyography. So sensory evoked potential will check the dorsal column. They are stimulated by the tibial nerve and the ulnar nerve, and transcranial recording are done. For the motor evoked potentials, they check the lateral and ventral corticospinal tract, and there is a transcranial stimulation with the muscle contraction noticed and by the receiving electrode which is placed on the muscle. Mechanical electromyography means that you stimulate the pedicle screw itself and will confirm whether the pedicle screw has breached the cortex, and you will see activity of the nerve or a muscle.